remember the last video I posted. But anyways, it's been a while, but today's video is very special. I waited so long for this to arrive. It is finally here. And can you guess from the color of the box? Ooh! Like, the box itself is just so pretty. I mean, I'm not a green person really, but this color is beautiful. All right, so let's get this baby open. I just cut the tape off. Let's open the box. Ooh, yes. So, oh my gosh, the packaging is beautiful. Oh my god, like, I don't even want to throw away this tissue paper. I mean, look at it. It's got his face on there. I want tissue paper with my face on it. I mean, I don't know what I would do with it though. It's even wrapped. Oh my god. So I got his, so I got the Blood Money eyeshadow palette and then also the liquid lipsticks too. So there's 2 packages, and then, oh, we are definitely keeping this box, yes. And then it just comes with a little card. Ooh, so beautiful, so beautiful. All right, so let's put the box down. Okay. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Money Honey. Is this upside down for you guys? I think it is. There we go. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Money Honey. The box is like a velvety matte, and then it's got the holographic ish printing. The green is like the shiny printing there. So beautiful. Let's open this up. Ooh, look at those. See, I'm not a lip gloss person. I love me some matte liquid lipsticks. I'm obsessed. And these things are just stunning. Oh my god, they're beautiful. Cannot wait to swatch these. All right, now let's open up the palette. Blood Money. Nice and wrapped. It's got the bubble wrapping around it for extra protection. Oh my gosh. This packaging is just to die for. It's got like the raised pattern here. Very pretty. Okay, so how does this? I want to be careful because I don't want to rip it. Yeah, we are definitely keeping the packaging. And there's the trunk. Oh my god. This is beautiful. I don't even want to peel this off. All right, let's open this guy. Does it twist open? See, this is my very first ever Jeffree Star product, so, okay. I'm having a hard time. What am I supposed to do? Does it squeeze together? Okay, got it. Ooh, look at that! Oh my god. They are beautiful. Okay, let's take this off. Oh, I love these colors. Okay, so I saw something that stated that some of the colors are not for use around the eye. So let me just read this. Pressed pigments not to be used around the immediate eye area. And the pressed pigments include poison ivy. So poison ivy is this one here. So that one is not supposed to be used around the eye area. Okay, so again, here is the Blood Money eyeshadow palette. Very beautiful. The pressed pigment that is not supposed to be used around the immediate eye area is poison ivy. And that is this green shimmer one right here. But the rest of them, it seems like we can use them around the immediate eye area. So I think what they mean by that is probably just not like near the what I was saying. So we'll just be more careful with that. Yeah, so you know, as you can see, I have my face done. My dogs. So I have my face done, but I didn't do my eyes because I wanted to use the Blood Money palette. We're just gonna get right into this. My primer I like to use is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Eden. And I like this one because it gives me a very nice matte finish, and I really like that as a base. You know, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. To be honest, I kind of just wing it, and however it turns out, it just turns out that way. I kind of just do whatever, and then surprisingly it turns out nice, you know? I've heard nothing but good things about Jeffree's products, and yeah, so we gonna get right into it. Let's find a transition color. Let's see. We're gonna go with Private Island, which is this one right down here. It's like this matte nudie color. I love nudes. Wow, it glides on so smooth. You know? This is the first shade I've tried, but I will say, this is like the smoothest eyeshadow I've ever tried. Like, it just blends so seamlessly without like any effort at all. You know, I love all of the eyeshadows I've ever tried, but man, this one, it just melts into my skin, it seems like. So how are y'all doing during this pandemic? I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and you know, I hope you're still able to find you know, some happiness and some fun throughout all of this craziness. Yeah, crazy year, but you know, we're here. We just have to try to adapt, you know, appreciate what we have. Hopefully things get better soon, you know, hope for the best. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, what are we gonna go in with next? I don't even know. Let's go in with Equity. I think I'm gonna do Equity, which is the one right above of the Private Island. So this camel green here, I love this color. That's probably like my favorite green color, is like that olive army green color. So Equity, I'm gonna do just all over. Ooh, honey, I like that. I find that these matte green shades are typically, from what I've found anyways, from other palettes, they're typically a little harder to blend, but you know, this one's not bad. Definitely not as smooth as the Private Island, but you know, maybe it's just a green pigment thing. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, this one we're just gonna pack it all over, just as our all over shade. Again, guys, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just kind of going with it, you know? Just going. Okay, that looks all right, I guess. Okay, let's just go back in with Private Island and just kind of blend that out a little more here. So I watched Kimora Black's review / tutorial on this palette, and actually with a lot of her eyeshadow, actually she, you know, she brings it down here. Oh, I know why she does that now. Oh girl, yes. Okay, let's do that too. Kimora Black, oh yes, honey, I know why you do this now. She's actually the first one I've ever seen do this. I mean, like I said, I'm not a makeup guru. I like to think that I follow makeup trends, but then I really don't. So Kimora Black is the only one who I've, you know, or at least she's the only one who's ever actually mentioned that she does it. So when I'm watching tutorials, they probably do it, but I just don't notice it because they don't actually say that they're doing it, if that makes sense. But anyways, yeah, so she brings the eyeshadow down here. And wow, yes, girl, I could see why you do it. Makes a whole difference. Okay, so what are we gonna do next? You know, I think, oh my God, there's a hair, okay. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm going to attempt for the very first time, I am going to attempt to do a cut crease. Your girl has never done a cut crease before. I don't really know how to do it. All I know is they apply like concealer, I think, like around here. So they go like, they like kind of just draw out where the socket of the eye is right here, and then they kind of like wing it out or whatever. And okay, you know what, we're gonna do that. Let me go find my concealer real quick. So again, I've never done this before, so I don't know what it's gonna look like, how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna use my Shape Tape. This was my all-time favorite concealer. However, I had to stop using it because you know, I started noticing since this last year that my skin has gotten a lot more dry. Let's try this. Okay, so I think they like do something like this. It's not smooth. Okay, we'll keep trying. I think I just need to use a different brush. But this is like the only like smaller brush that I have. so I guess I'll wing it out. I mean, it's not looking terrible so far. We'll keep going and see what I end up with. I'm gonna fix some of these boo-boos here. Yeah, I think I need just a different kind of brush. You know, especially with hooded eyes too, like it's kind of hard to draw these straight lines, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so that doesn't look terrible. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, guys. But okay, let's do the other side. Oh my god, this eye is gonna be a pain in the ass to do. Okay, let's try this. Let's see if we can get it even, huh? That's like the hardest part, I feel like. Man, I don't know how you girls do it. To do like a full face like this every day, oh my goodness. I mean, I guess you get used to it, and the amount of time it takes you to do your face will, you know, eventually go down over time, but man, this is so hard. Okay. You know, this one is higher than, can I just wipe you? I mean, is that a thing? Like, can I just go, yeah. I think it's supposed to go like this. Okay. All right, you know what? That is good enough for me. What now? Oh no. Let's go back in with, I'm just gonna touch this one here. Cause it kind of made a boo-boo on itself. Okay, so I think what I'm supposed to do now is pack it down with some eyeshadow to make sure that it doesn't like crease or something. I think I'm gonna do CEO, which is this gold shade right here. I'm gonna put that on the inner like half, I guess. Okay, let's do that. I'm just gonna pack that on. Ooh, she's looking cute. I like this color, yes. She's looking real cute. I think we'll do like the first 2/3 of it with this color. Cute, cute, okay. Now let's do this one. You know, it ain't gonna look cute right now because I kind of made a boo-boo on this left eye, but you know, once the lashes and the eyeliner and everything are on, it's gonna look great. Yeah, I love how pigmented these shades are. Jeffree Star, I love. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this CEO shade, it's gold, but it's kind of got like a lime green like flex to it in the light. Oh, so pretty. Okay. I think that looks good. Okay, so now the outer half, or the outer third, let's see. Let's do, I think I want, maybe I want to make that green. Let's do, I'm just going to do Emerald State on the outer part. So that's this green right here. This is a Sonia Kashuk liner brush. I think I used to use this for my brows. I think, I have no idea. It's been such a long time since I've done my brows. All right, Emerald State. Oh, this one looks so pretty. Okay. I'm just gonna pack that on. Oh, you know, are you guys Green Bay Packer fans? This palette is perfect for Packer fans. Green and gold, baby. Green and gold. There's a little more fallout with this one because the glitter is a little more chunky, but I mean, it's still very pigmented. Blend that in there. Next side. I mean, I guess it kind of looks the same as the other side, right? Kind of ish, just a little bit. I'm kind of digging this cut crease look, guys. Like, it always looks so oh my god, I can't speak. It always looks so pretty in pictures when I see it, but I've never really known how to do it, so I never do it. And it's okay that I never do it because it takes so long. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. Okay, let's see. That looks alright. It looks pretty blended, huh? I think. Let's see. Honey, are you the same thing? Yes, you are. I think. Looks like it. Alright, I want to use this black. Let me show you guys this black. So it is called Black Card Limit. So it's this bottom one here in the corner. Got lots of shimmer in there. And oh my god, my hair is crazy. Black Card Limit. So I'm gonna try to do this thing where I like kind of smoke this out here. So I'm like smoking it out, but like outlining it. Does that make sense? I saw a girl on Instagram do this and it turned out so pretty. So we're gonna try it. I've never done it before. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Am I supposed to close my eyes when I do this? I have no idea. Okay, I guess closing your eye will give you a better line. So I don't think I'm gonna connect the bottom because that's where my eyeliner is gonna go. So it'll kind of connect it for me. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna do this. Hopefully it turns out all right and it looks good. I don't know how you girls, I give you guys props, man. Like, this is hard work. I've been looking like Cleopatra. Oh my god. You know, I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. We'll have to wait until everything is put together, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what to feel or how to feel about this. So this is my favorite eyeliner, the NYX what is it called? The Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner. This is the best eyeliner I have ever used. I've been using this one for years and I absolutely love it. I love how it's so affordable too. Oh, I got green on me. I'm like chink. It's okay, it looks kind of cute. I'll just add it to this side. We'll just add it to my highlighter. Oh, she looked kind of cute. Okay. And then we're gonna smoke this bottom liner out. I think I'm just gonna use that Black Card Limit again to smoke it out. You really don't need too much. These pigments are, or these shadows are extremely pigmented. She be looking kind of like funky right now. But so to highlight my inner corner, I'm gonna use this Divine Intervention this top one right here. That's gonna be the inner corner highlight. I love gold shades. Typically I would do like a light champagne or gold highlight, but you know, we gonna use Jeffree Star Blood Money. Divine Intervention. We gonna do that right now. Let's just pop that baby right here. Oh, she looking fly. Oh my god, this is like, oh, I love this. And we're gonna pat, just to kind of blend that out. A little more, pat. Cute. And then we go pat. Oh, she's kind of cute. So I'm gonna do the rest of my eyeliner, my mascara, lashes, and I will be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Again, this is my very first time attempting a cut crease, and so this is what it looks like. I'll post some close-up photos at the end, but yeah, y'all like these lashes? These are probably like the curliest lashes I've ever worn. But yeah, I mean, I like it. This is very, this is definitely a lot more like dramatic than I would typically do my eyeshadow, as far as like an everyday look. But I'm really liking it. Like, I could totally wear this out like on a daily basis and be comfortable with it. It's just, I'm not very comfortable with like doing the cut crease yet, but after a few practice tries, I think I'll get it. But yeah, it's not bad. I'm quite impressed with myself, guys. I mean, just the fact that I got them to somewhat look similar, I mean, not terrible. But anyway, that is it for this video. It's kind of a long one, but what I forgot to film is the lips. Oh my god, I was so focused on the eyeshadows, I totally forgot about these lips. But just for sake of time, I'm not going to swatch all of them. I'm just going to pick one and complete my makeup with today. So, which one am I going to use? Let's do... I got quite a lot of green. You know what? I'm going to do Crocodile Tears as my lippy today. Open this baby up. Ooh, I like the doe foot applicator. Very cute. My battery's going to die. Ooh, girl. Ooh, she cute. I have to like hold my breath when I do this. I mean, so far it doesn't feel too drying, which is good. Ooh, it's nice and matte. Yes, okay, let's continue. Oh my god, I can't wait to see the finished look. I can't believe I forgot about these lips. Dude, you guys, I fucking love it. Dude. Oh my god. I am in love. Oh god, why do we have to wear masks now? Like, you know, what time is it? It is 11:17 p.m. on a Monday night. I have nowhere to go. You know, I can't even browse around Walmart right now because Walmart is closed. I just did a full face of makeup. This lip is everything. Oh my god. Okay, I believe it was Jeffree Star that said that they are kiss proof but not makeup proof, or not make out proof. So let's see. Clean hand. There's like really nothing on there. Whoa. I can't believe I forgot about this. Yeah, definitely like 5 out of 5 stars. I'm so excited to keep playing around with this palette. This is it for this video. I cannot wait to keep playing around with these colors. I will definitely put up more videos soon. Like I said, just for the sake of time, I'm not gonna swatch everything. That is it. For real now, peace out.